What's going on, guys? Today is a very exciting day with the R32. After having this car for about 1.5 years, we are finally getting this car tuned. I got about an hour or so drive ahead of me, so once we get to the tuners, I will check back in with you guys. What's going on, guys? We just got here to the tuners. We are over here in Pennsylvania at Evans Tuning. Got here a little early. They need some time to load up a previous customer's car, which is fine. I wanted to let the car cool down anyways. It was a pretty decent drive out here. Got stuck in a little bit of traffic, but it wasn't too bad. So yeah, hopefully we'll get going soon. Alright, so right now we're getting the car set up for the dyno. Okay, so right now Jeff is doing some adjustments on the computer, just making sure everything's okay before we start. So right now he's just messing with partial throttle, trying to check make sure everything's all right, making sure where everything should be where it is. We're only on like the 3rd or 4th actual pole, and that's at a 0.9 bar. It's not too bad. How much boost are we at?
21. So it's like 15.
15, yeah, that's not bad.
I won't go any higher. It's weird because it's like, it hits at the top end, like it's not, it's like can't see boost in the car, see?
Right.
It's like can't plot it and see what it's doing. But it's weird, like, you can see it like peaks at top, it's like kind of
after 6,000, it just...
Yeah. I don't know why it's doing that. Like it's not, it's like the boost isn't building.
That's why there's that dip.
Yeah, it's a little too much. That's why I gotta, like, it overshot that boost a little bit.
Alright guys, that does it for the tune. We made 308 to the wheels, 271 foot-pounds of torque. That's at 1.1 bar, 1.2, as it fluctuates. Had a little issue with the boost controller, but we kind of figured it out. I'm pretty sure we figured it out, and things seems to be boosting. For some reason it wasn't holding boost or something really weird up the top, but we seem to have gotten it sorted out. Car runs good, it pulls really nice. AFRs are pretty good. We're down in like the 11.5s. Not too bad, not too rich. I know a lot of people like to run it like 10.5 or 11, but I don't think it's really that necessary. Who's that guy? Who is that guy?
Who's that guy? Who's that guy?
Anyways, that does it for this video. We'll catch you on the next one.